Let's imagine that you've just finished a massive project. But when it's time to deliver those files, you've just noticed that your drive is completely empty. Now both your income and your reputation are on the line. And panic? Well, it's starting to set in. This is not an ideal situation to be in, most definitely when you don't know what else to do when this happens. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to look at how to recover deleted videos and photos when a situation like this does happen. But that's not all, because today's video is also on Data Privacy Day. That's why we're going to give you some best tech tips on both data privacy and also security. And of course, we're going to show you how you can recover those videos and those photos that seem to be gone forever from those old SD cards. We'll walk through the essentials of data privacy protection and data privacy compliance to keep your files safe, while also mastering deleted video recovery and general data recovery for those oh no moments. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you always stay updated with the latest tips and tricks on data recovery. Let's get into it. Today's video is specifically for creators who need to recover those deleted photos and videos to keep also a client's data safe. Believe it or not, but if you're a freelance photographer, a YouTuber, or simply a social media manager, the intersection of data privacy and security is what determines your professionalism. With Data Privacy Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to audit your workflow. Data recovery, privacy, and security aren't just about knowing how to recover deleted photos when a card fails. All of these things are about building a solid foundation that can help you prevent such disasters from occurring in the first place. That's why today's goal is to help you with actionable tech tips to make you a pro on data privacy, at least for your own files. In this video, we'll explore why data compliance matters for your business and also the complicated sides of data recovery. So if you're someone who's panicked over a formatted SD card, then buckle up, because this video will help you with a clear roadmap on how to recover those files and also to help you just to know what to do in the future. SD cards are a great option for expanding the memory on many gadgets, just like cameras, drones, or even just a simple phone. However, files on these SD cards can get lost due to multiple reasons, such as the card getting corrupted or formatted or physically damaged. While you can't do much if the SD card gets physically damaged, you do have options to recover files from formatted ones. Having said that, let's take a look on how to recover those files from an SD card. The process for this is quite simple. So start by turning off the device, and once you've done that, take the SD card out. Now insert the SD card into a card reader that is connected to your laptop or computer. Then let's launch Wondershare Recoverit. In this main interface, you'll see all the data storage options currently connected to your laptop or computer. Here, choose the SD card from which you wish to recover the files. Now let's hover the card in the interface and click Scan. If you want to run a deep scan, you can do that by clicking on this button right here. Now, once the scan is complete, the recovered file will be shown in the Recoverit interface. Here you can choose to preview them by clicking on them, or you can restore them as well straight away. To restore one or multiple files, click the icons and select as many as you want to restore. Now, click the Restore button, and in the pop-up window that opens, choose a destination for the files you want to recover and click Save. If you've ever used an SD card on a drone to capture some amazing, breathtaking videos, but that card got formatted, well, to get those videos back is fairly simple, and here's how you can do it. Let's turn off the device and take the SD card out. Let's insert the SD card into a card reader and connect it to a computer. Then let's launch Recoverit, and from the main interface, choose the SD card from which you want to recover files. Now hover over the item and click Scan. For a deep scan, you can click on this button just as previously, and now click on Files to preview and select the ones you want to recover, then click Restore. Most Handheld devices come with an expandable storage, and for this you can sometimes use an SD card. But what if that card gets formatted? Well, here's how you can recover those files that you've lost. Let's first switch off the device and take the card out. Then let's insert the card into a card reader and connect it to a computer. Then let's start Recoverit and hover over the desired storage option and click Scan. So now you can preview the items by clicking on them and simply selecting them to click Restore. Now that you know how to recover those deleted files and videos, we're going to move into the next step, and this one is all about quality. It's possible that the images or videos you restore are not of perfect quality, and that's where AI tools come in. You can sharpen blurry images and fix corrupted fields by using things like AI upscaling and intelligent repairs for formats like MP4, JPEG, MOV, and so much more. You can think of this more as a triage for your file, where you turn a broken, corrupted, deleted video recovery into a deliverable asset for yourself or for your clients. However, when you're doing this, please keep in mind that AI, sadly, cannot fix missing frames, irreparable corruption, or even artifacts. For someone who's really into content creation, you must understand that maintaining high quality for standards on data privacy and security is what separates a hobbyist from a real professional in the field. So what this means is that you must ensure that your workflow meets the correct standards for SOPs. And these SOPs include the following: perform your data recovery on an isolated machine to prevent cross-contamination. Always remember to remove personally identifiable metadata from your files. Make sure to encrypt all your files and protect them using a password. Always use a secure and encrypted link to share files with your client, as it increases protection. Keep a record of your timestamps and clients' confirmations, as it helps ensure compliance. And that is all, everyone. We've covered so much today, such as showing you how to recover those deleted videos and photos from SD cards, on cameras, on drones, and also on handheld devices. We've also shown you why data privacy is super important and essential for your workflows, and lastly, how AI tools can help you fix corrupted videos and photos that you thought would be gone forever. If you found this video helpful and that you learned something today, then let us know in the comments below, and also subscribe for more and give us a like to increase the algorithm on this video. Goodbye.